These are awesome questions. They require, actually, some thought. One is, what messages are working best to promote people caring about sustainability? And I am not a sustainability expert, but I will say that I think that the messaging around sustainability, anything that shames people or that makes people feel doom and gloom about the world, really is not effective. Because if, I'm a strong believer in telling stories. You have to show a problem, but then you have to end on uplift. My film, Truth to Transformation, there's a lot of pain in that film, but most of all, it's a celebration of love and family, and it shows the way forward with solutions to a problem. So I think with sustainability, there are a lot of people who have thrown in the towel. They're like, well, we're all screwed, so why should I even bother? And that is a horrible message, because we can all make a difference. And the other thing is that if we shame people, they're not going to feel mobilized to take action. So that is, and I would love to tell sustainability stories, but ones with hope and love for our planet.